Here I have VIVO IQO O U3, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the security section and then to the fingerprint. Then select your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password, so I'll just use PIN. So here you enter your PIN, here you confirm it. Then you should select if you want to see notifications on the locked screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can just don't show any notifications at all. So now you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here, and tap on it with your finger several times in order for it to remember your fingerprint. Okay, and fingerprint added. And now you can unlock your device just by scanning your fingerprint without entering any PIN code, so easily, just like that. You don't even have to press power key. You just can scan your fingerprint like this and device will open instantly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.